Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and today I'm going to show you how to make an browser app. So the browser app is basically a demonstration of some in which you click a button and then you go to that website. So the first you have to put a welcome GIF or photo, then as you can see the code at my left side, you have to put one row below the row below the image. After that you have to put a button and a label. The button should have be nothing. You can search it for the logo from the Google and then copy that image address and just paste it, and in the label you will write like I have write Aaj Tak. Then in the second row, like this is a news demonstration, so you can make any kind of it. So I have put it another row below that row, and as you can see again in the code button, this is button 2, and in this button 2 actually is the logo of the Z Hindustan News, and this is in the label I have written Z News. Then you have to create another screen. Firstly, you have to put a row as you can see in the browser screen code. Firstly, you have to put row. In that row, you have to put text input and button 3. The text input you have to rewrite it as enter website, and in the right side of it there is a button uh, go. So you have to write go, and below that you have to put a web viewer. Below that web viewer, we have a button. This button works like if you go to, like I am just showing you how does it work. Actually, this app will not work because the following website do not allow any other user to input in it. So here is the website. See, this is working. The Z app is opened as you can see, and when I will click at the back button, it will give me at the new screen. So let us take a look at the code. The code is like this. First you have to create a variable, and you can name it as URL and put as null. Okay, after that when button 1 click, so when the button 1, as you can see, is the Aaj Tak button, which I have put it the logo of Aaj Tak. Okay, when button 1 clicks set the app variable, you have to take from the text this one, and in that you have to you have to type in the Google with opening a new tab Aaj Tak website. When you will click on it, this blocks will come and you have to open it. So okay, and then you have to navigate to browser screen, because as you can see when I am previewing it, so when I am going to preview and clicking it, the browser screen appeared, and then this is appearing. So you have to write navigate to browser screen, because the main screen of this is the browser screen. After that, uh, firstly Aaj Tak, then the button 2 you have to put the same, and you have to put uh, the coding part of it as Z News, then navigate to browser screen. Okay, now let's take a look at the browser screen code. So the button 3, as you can see, is the go button which I have told you in the browser screen. So when button 3 click, the web viewer we have just put it in it. Web viewer, please set web viewer 1, and URL you do not have to type, it will automatically come in it. Text input 1, text input 1 was the text input in which we did not have to enter website, but if we have to put another website, so we can enter in it. Then after that, when the browser screen opens, if app variable URL is not equal to null, this null is occupied for 0 in the thunkable language. So app variable not equal to 0 if the app variable is using, so web viewer 1 URL, app variable URL. The app variable URL is the websites which we have stored in this in the both websites. Okay, and after that, this is the code of the back button. When button 4 click, as you can see here, button 4 is here. When button 4 click, navigate to news. So this is a demonstration of a web browser screen. You can create a different sort of like cartoon, social media and all. And yeah, that is it for today. Thank you everyone.